All right, July 2021, we got some new laws in Texas. Let's talk about that. Hello, everybody. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thanks again for liking and commenting, subscribing, all the good stuff. All right, let's talk about some new laws here. House Bill 1535 has officially passed through the Texas government. And what that means is now cancer patients and PTSD patients can sign up to get medical marijuana in our state. This is huge news. Again, more big news coming out of the government. And you can tell it puts a smile on my face. I love to see it. So there are some, it's not all great news. So what they've done is they've doubled the percent cap for THC from 0.5% to 1%. Yep, that's right. So now you can get 1% cannabis products if you're a PTSD patient or a cancer patient in the state of Texas. I know it doesn't sound like much, but it's better than what we had. So let's keep moving forward. Some other things that were thrown into this bill, just kind of housekeeping stuff, like if you're on this program, the Compassionate Care Act program in Texas, the CPS can't come and take your kids for drug use, which is a good thing. So that was included in the bill, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. Other things that weren't included in the bill are chronic pain and language to open up for more diseases to be treated with cannabis. So far, as the law says, cancer, PTSD, and the seizures that we had before, that's it. That's all you can get in the Compassionate Care Act program, whatever. So that is the latest and greatest out of the state capitol. Nothing else really new. The 87th legislature has ended. So anything that didn't pass isn't getting passed right now, and we'll see what happens later. In other news, one of the things that I've been getting requested a lot, and a lot, is seeds. Where do you get your seeds? How do you get your seeds? What's the process for that? And there's a reason I hadn't jumped into it right off the bat. These laws change a lot, as I say every video. And as I've gone and I've looked into the seed language, it's all gone. I don't know if they moved it, or I couldn't find where it was when I knew where it was. And the only thing that I can find now is if you're getting your seeds imported from a legal state, make sure you fill out that transport manifest. That way everything is going through the mail legally. And also make sure that you're buying a strain that's on Texas already approved strain list. There is actually an application for you to go and get your own strains approved. I'll link all of that stuff down in the description. The link to the list of strains and the link to the application to get other strains approved if it still exists. So yeah, hopefully that will clear up some of the confusion that I've been seeing about seeds and where to get seeds and stuff like that. Now, if you've bought your seeds from a local reputable source, and it's on the list of seeds you can use, then by all means go ahead and use them. There's nothing wrong with that. They have been approved. Now when it gets tested, they're going to verify what you said was accurate. And then if you were lying, then things will come to light. So keep that in mind. Make sure you're doing everything by the law. Don't want to lie about anything. It's just best that you keep to the way they're letting us do this right now. And as always, I encourage anyone who has questions to go ahead and drop them down in the comments. And I'll do my best to give you whatever resources are available or point you in the direction that you need to go to get the answers for yourself. So, yeah. Thank you guys. And last but not least, just like I do with every video, just a quick update on the business. So, South Texas Cannabis, if you've noticed, I've changed the name of the YouTube channel. I got a couple of people that responded to my questions in the last video and told me that, yeah, they think I should change the name of the channel to South Texas Cannabis. And so I did. So I'm also looking for any graphic designers or someone who would be interested in helping me design a label. And that leads me into my next thing. I am starting the process of getting some products going. the business itself is going to focus on production and manufacture of distillate. CBD distillate, Delta 8 distillate will be selling, and eventually THC distillate. That's the course that I want to take, and so that's kind of the direction I'm headed. Now, it's going to be a long process, and it's going to take a lot of my time, and when I started South Texas Cannabis, I wasn't sure which direction it was really going to go, and I feel really good about this. So, I just want to thank everyone who's going to be here and watches my videos, and, you know, we all grow together, and it's going to be a great time. And with that being said, I am looking for places to get my products into. We are just going to be doing small batch carts at the moment, and, you know, we'll see where it goes. We'll see how the popularity does, where the demand goes, and, yeah. So, thanks, everybody, for watching. Oh, yes, one last thing. I've been avoiding this because I didn't want to tell y'all, but the first grow failed. Just flat out failed. Started with 10 plants, 5 were males, 3 didn't make it, 2 made it into the ground, and then 1 got killed in a gardening incident, and then the other one got infected with some kind of bug. And so I've just kind of called that grow. It didn't work. We'll try again next year, or maybe I'll do an indoor grow. I think maybe I'll break out the tent and do an indoor grow because that's a lot easier for me. So yeah, that's why there hasn't been frequent garden updates like I promised. You know, it was my first time doing it outside, and I told you the good, bad, and the ugly. I'd tell you about it, and I told you about it. So that's that. You know, don't unsubscribe because I'm not doing exactly what I said in the first video. But thank you guys anyways. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.